I'm calling the names I'm familiar with first, okay?
Ma'am, can you move on?
Come on, Pallavi.
Next name, you give the next name and come.
Next up, we have Saujanya. You can't just sing and not walk around. Come on.
बेटा पीछे अभी पीछे.
Next up, we have Sindhu. As Saujanya is walking around, Sindhu, please come up. Thank you, Saujanya. This is Sindhu for you. Sindhu accompanied by Dheeraj, the little honeybee. Next up, we have Harini.
Ma'am, alone, not with the kids.
Harini.
Try to avoid with kids. Alone, please. Ma'am, alone.
Harini followed by Una next.
Alone, please. No kids.
Great, thank you, Harini. Next up, we have Una. Thank you, Una, and thanks for all the support. Next up, we have Dia. Divya, sorry. After Divya, we have Paramita. Thank you, Divya. Next up, we have Paramita. Come on, clap for her. Next up, we have Rajni.
Ma'am, remove it. Endo आ गया, ladies आ गया.
Next up, we have Deeksha.
Now ladies are in the center. Like okay, everyone
Next,
go.
we have Mangai. Thank you so much. Mangai next.
Fast. Come quickly, they're getting late. Please, fast.
We're waiting for Mangai. Come on, run.
Ma'am, call the next one.
Next, we have Anuradha. Anuradha, get up, run. Next, we have Deepa. Anuradha.
Better.
Next, we have Priya. Priya Murli.
Come, front.
After Priya, we have Pooja. Come on, a big round of applause for Priya. That's a sports Priya. Come on, once more. Next, we have Pooja.
Go, ma'am, go. See ya.
Very pretty.
See ya,
Come on, guys, give a round of applause.
No. Alone. No, alone.
Next up, we'll have Lakshmi. Thank you, Pooja. Lakshmi next. That's okay. You see the part of all of us. Next, we have Leela. Leela and Shweta, you can walk the ramp up together. One behind the other. Leela and Shweta. Next up, Next up we have Karuna. We'd like Jayashri and Kavita to come up on stage as well with Ms.
Single,
Geeta.
ma'am. Ma'am, single.
We have Karuna here. Oh, we have two Karunas walking up the stage together, and we have Deepa as well. So all three of them. Good job, Karuna. We have another Karuna and Deepa.
Storage full हो गया.
Jayashri and Kavita.
Storage full.
There are two Kavitas. Kavita, you can join them as well. But you walk the ramp one after the other. Next up, Jabba. Jabba, you can't escape. Come. The newest entrant to our apartment. Next up, we'll have Naina. Come on, guys, you may need her services in the beauty parlor anytime. Next, we have Kalpana. After Jabba, it's Naina. Continue clapping, come on. You can't get tired. Next up, we have Usha.